I already took some shots of it. Let's pop the bonnet.
The bonnet, eh?
Oh, and it's even got the hood struts?
Shot it. 20 bucks on Amazon.
Well, that's pretty slick. I should get some of those.
Guy that doesn't have one is a scrub.
I've hit my head with the hood so many times.
They're kind of annoying though, honestly, because like, look, it only opens up that far.
It happens, but look at that big spoolie boy in there. Did you do all the welds?
No, that's literally an eBay downpipe.
Gotcha.
Just eBay 3-inch fucking random downpipe with O2 bungs, and it just fit like perfect. I got super lucky.
That's pretty slick. You didn't have to make new bung holes.
Nope, no new bung holes.
Yep.
I will actually have to have somebody weld a new bung hole on, because I have my sweet non-bung hole adapter there.
Oh, that's very non-bung hole-yo.
Yeah, so once I get that bung hole situated,
there you go.
No more bung holes on the exhaust.
No more bung holes.
Yeah. Or at least one more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked your I was like,
Then did you do the brake booster? Did you do the brake booster delete to save space?
Kind of, like, because I was doing a lot of other things at the same time. Like, I was also doing full stainless lines throughout the whole car, which, like, it had factory lines from fucking 94. So I finally got rid of all that, rerouted them all through the cab, and it just made more sense, and it was easier just to do the delete too.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
And it looks better, it gives me more space. The intake manifold always used to hit the booster. So,
oh, gotcha. Yeah.
So now it like technically gives me more room to push the motor back. I just haven't actually pushed it back yet.
It's got space like NASA.
Yeah.
you have like the slotted mounts that makes it so you can move it back.
Yeah, exactly. They're the excessive motor mounts and trans mount. So there's like a lot of adjustability.
That's pretty slick. And then you're just running, is that just like, is that the kind of angle kit I think it is?
So it's like the one that all the ones you think they are molded off of. It's the Driftworks one.
Oh, okay, so it's legit.
It's the actual OG one, and I bought it in like 2015 before all those eBay ones were made. So.
And then it's just that with E36 arms and
that's literally.
And you got maximum angle.
Yeah, and there's rack spacers on it, but that's like just a little washer, you know.
Oh, does that move it more this way? Or
no, so it's on the tie rod, on the inner tie rod, just spaces them out like just a tiny bit.
Oh, okay,
I don't actually know exactly.
Oh, so you can be wider.
I guess so. I don't
know. Wider is better. If I learned anything from Pontiac.
Yeah, I just know people said to do it, so I did it, and it worked.
Nice.
And like that thing, that little kit has been on there for 6 years now, so.
Dialed.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty slick. And then you got the full interior again. Just about. You got the sunroof delete for weight savings. You got the checkers because you're a winner.
Mostly.
Yep. And you've got the status. It was overdue. And then the yellow tint. That's what I'm talking about. You got the spicy taillights there.
The Tapatillos.
Yep. What body kit is this?
Like the overfenders?
Mm-hmm.
They're not actually like a brand name. They're just, this dude sold them for a while and he doesn't sell them anymore, but they're like felony form reps.
Okay.
So,
gotcha. Maybe
I don't know who has like the new like felony form like molding and who actually advertises it now, but he was like the one who first made that style of them, you know. But
maybe they're in jail.
Probably. Yeah. That's probably what happened, because they got shipped to me from like Croatia or Bulgaria or like, I don't know, dude, some random place. Like took literally months.
Oh, and I was gonna wonder, is this for clearance just because you were hitting, or? So
when I first built this car, I didn't know what I was doing.
Oh.
And so I just cut everything off.
Yeah, it happens to all of us.
In hindsight, I would have left it, but it's gone now, you know?
Yeah. That works.
I can't just like, I mean I can, but I don't want to just put it back.
Yeah.
So eventually I'll build out a tube front again, but for now I just kind of, like I chopped actually most of the tube front off, and I had to just splice it back to the factory frame rails, and just put like the factory radiator support thing back in as OEM-ish as I could make it.
Yeah.
You know, but It still needs some more support for sure.
I like it. Well, we better see her do a skid, huh?
It'll do a skid.
Oh yeah.